We're not dunce, right? And we may not have gone to do maths. Some of us have to take maths 3-4 times before we could pass it. We can't teach maths, but that don't mean that we don't. Anyway, Nisa, where do you see the campaign now for the Labour Party? What is the next stage?
So how I was looking at all this is that the PM was clearly waiting on some runway regarding his statutory declarations to really get this thing going, because that stain on his reputation right now is a real issue. And so I think that he's going to find a way to strategically ensure that the perspective around his statutory declarations and him being a quote-unquote thief, the so-called 28 bank accounts, he's going to give that some time to really air out in the public sphere in terms of what the Supreme Court laid down today. The fact that the international forensic team cleared that it was only 8 active accounts. They're going to find a way to get his reputation cleaned up a little bit before we go to the polls. And then I believe that within, I don't know, maybe 5 weeks, 6 weeks, somewhere soon, he's going to call this election and we're heading to the polls because they're on fire.
I don't think we have much time to wait at all.
Or somewhere, there you go.
Well, you know that it's always nice talking to you, June Plum. I hope you'll come back again.
I will. I'll be here.
And by the way, you need to be here more regularly. We have too much to talk about for you to stay away.
No, jeez, I need to talk to Jamaica girl.
It's because we can't pay you.
No. Come now. No.
Yeah. Jamaica girl not producing well, eh?
No. That is my fault. It's my fault.
All right. Take care of yourself.
Take care, neighbor. Night.
Anna, how you doing? Yeah, you're from St. Ann. Please send me a request and come here. Let me talk to you. Anna, 28 minutes after 10 o'clock. I have to go soon. But Anna, yeah, I talked to you from last night. How you doing? Anna from St. Ann. Come on up. Oh, she's in bed, not doing so well. Sorry about that, dear Anna. Sorry about that. Bow your head, let me pray for you. In the name of Jesus, we reach out to Anna right now. We ask that you would touch her at the point of her illness, raise her up tomorrow. We thank you for the victory in Jesus' name. Amen. All right, Anna, receive that. Praying for your healing, praying for your strength. Okay, my dear, God bless you. Bye-bye. Anna, I hope you're taking it with medication and, stay warm. Do you have company, by the way? Do you? Praying for my sister Anna that she'll be well and that she'll be up tomorrow. God bless you, my dear sister Anna. Okay. I didn't get any response from the People's National Party tonight. The forecast again, 42-16 with 5 being too close to call. The Lion of the tribe of Judah has prevailed.
Greetings, brother.
Greetings to you. Hi.
How you doing?
I'm fine. Hi.
I think I passed you a couple of times, but I didn't really spend a moment to watch you. But I enjoyed you and the lady just now. I just want to have a little view on the election. Well, from since I'm born in Jamaica, growing up, I know my mother was labor right, so I continue the trend. Not because she was, but I see the good things, right? When it comes to the comrades now, it's like from the moment me see what the prime minister name, what's his name again before Portia Simpson, what was his name there?
Bruce.
Not Bruce, man, the other one there.
PJ.
Yes, from the moment me see him sell out so many things out of the country, me say why that man look like I don't know what he's doing. And then me see Portia come, and Portia, she was so vulgar, she wasn't even a good speaker like this man here. I never see them have a good, a reasoning or a good communication, a good speak, a good, to say well about what them expect and what they want to do for the country or stuff like that. They don't have a good communication with the people. Yeah, so for me, I think continue with this prime minister there, and number one is our people. He's for us, and I think he's doing the best job I ever see done in Jamaica. From since I'm a Jamaican, if you get what I'm saying, and it's not because it's labor right, is what I see is doing for the people of the country of Jamaica. You get what I'm saying? So I would advise the people to just stick right there, because the comrades them not have a good leader. Even that guy, what's his name, the guy there, he's doing a better job even than the leader that they have, Mark Golden. Yeah, he will have a better communication with the people than even Mark Golden, believe me.
Let me tell you something, sir. Governments do better when oppositions are effective.
Yes.
The democracy requires that the government be kept on its toes. Governments, sir, that do not have effective opposition can fail, That is why the opposition is the watchdog.
Yeah.
Watchdog, in other words, you keep the government looking out all the time because you are the alternative government. In other words, when the government slips up or fails the people, you're ready to take the reins of power.
Yes, because you have to capitalize.
I want to ask my friends tonight listening to me, is the PNP ready to take the reins of power? Is Golden ready to become the Prime Minister of Jamaica? Is Damian Crawford ready to become the Minister of Education? Is Julian Robinson ready to go up to Heroes Circle, sit around the decks of the Finance Minister and start charting fiscal and monetary policies? Call a meeting with the private sector and the Bank of Jamaica. Start mopping about interest rates and all of that. Is he ready? Is Angela Brownburg ready? Go up to the Ministry of Foreign Affairs and start engaging with the bilateral partners, yes, multilaterals, other nations under as the case may be. Are they ready, sir? That's what I'm asking. Are they ready?
No, for me, if you answer that question, I really don't see none of them ready, because
ready
you
to be the Minister of National Security. Is he ready? Right? Who else is there in the shadow cabinet? Natalie Nita Garvey. Is Natalie Nita Garvey ready to be the Minister of Local Government? Is she ready, sir?
If you ask me that question, I answer it and said no, because I don't see it. Because what I think they're supposed to be doing, they're supposed to be capitalizing on the mistake and trying to find some way different from what the Labour right are doing. And I don't see the leader as Mark Golding do anything like that, because you start bashing the school bus, you're gonna build house pan swamp plan.
You know, sir, a government that is in power for 9 years. You know, you would expect a little fatigue,
Yes,
a little boredness, you know, a little stillness. The government look fresh, sir. Don't
it's
you?
pure chaos. It's pure
Huh?
chaos. It's pure chaos to me.
No, sir, the government look fresh. Like them just ready to roll. Holness to look fresh, sir.
Yes, that's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying. But
Over in Spanish Town there, sir. Talking about the Prime Minister no start sweat yet. Sweating is not a good thing. Sweating means you're healthy, you know, sir.
But listen, you can't listen to them talk. Talk is cheap, man. Man just talk where they come out them mouth. You understand? But at the same time, we can't take it for granted because look, I think when I see Kamala Harris run against Trump, you know, it was so that I think Kamala was gonna win. And when I look at it, you see who win.
If I were advising the PNP, I would have told them what you should have done yesterday is to call a press conference and present your manifesto to the people of Jamaica. Show them what your plans are to better their lives. You come in like political dunce, because by highlighting the Labour parties, what they did, all you are doing is turning more attention to the book. Call a press conference. You should have your manifesto ready, and you show them that here are our plans. So the government put out their plans. All right, you read it through, see if there's anything to refute, point out that these are not true. Okay, like the government said, they built 30,000 houses. So you come and you said, okay, this built 30,000 in 9 years. We are going to do
Come
this.
build 40.
We are going to build 40. Yes,
Yes.
and we are going to build them like this. And they say they have school buses. We are going to bring in A, B, C, D. Yeah. They say they have done hospitals. Here is our plan for hospitals. Here is our plan for health. Here is our plan for roads. That's what you do. You are the alternative.
But
Don't
if I look,
to show a cartoon, Tom
If
and
I-
Jerry. Yes,
if I-
and
if I-
what the cartoon them names, sir? Tom and Jerry and what?
yeah, Tom and Jerry.
And what? What else cartoon?
I don't know that. I know about Tom and Jerry though.
We don't need a comedy show at this time. It's not entertainment. Yes, after you have entertained. By the way, I saw one pastor man. I should have. Do I have it? Do I have it? Talking about what name? What the pastor man name? Praying a prayer. I wonder if I have it. I probably do, you know, but maybe time is not going to allow me. Talking about how many people is going to be switching to the People's National Party. Pastor, be careful, you hear, sir? Where name? Where Pastor man the name?
I don't know which pastor that is. Where is he from? Where is he from?
He's a pastor man. Say Andrew lock him up, and say Andrew ain't lock him up.
I don't know. I never see the clip. I never hear.
Yes. Yes, and some hear him at one of the PNP meeting. I pray, say there's a shift in the nation. Pastor Chamber, yes.
I guess him is a prophet. A false one, that you know.
No. Let me tell you something, Mr. Pastor Chambers, if you're listening. Human government is a choice that men make. You hear me, sir? Pastor Chambers, listen up. Human government is a choice that men make. People are not under divine inspiration to go vote. If you teach that, sir, you are wrong and you are misleading the people. You have to understand what is called sovereignty, by which we mean that God is in complete control of the universe and all things thereby, but it does not negate free will.
That's right.
The will of the Jamaican people is what will be established when the will be the sovereign will of God, because God is omniscient. Pastor Chambers, come up here and debate it with me. Come up here. Okay? So when you stand up with people about shift because of wicked government, you know anything about wickedness, Mr. Chambers? Do you? Do you know anything about wickedness?
But you know, sorry, Chief. But you know what I don't understand? Why they all them do is bash. Why is it and they keep bashing? You don't need to bash somebody to put yourself up on the platform.
No,
You
sir, but
don't-
if they invite you there to pray, pray. Don't go up there and talk about shift.
Yeah,
That God
yeah.
is shifting. It's not true. A pounding, he has a pounding word. Well, brother. and then he breaks his champagne and drink. So he's pound. You're pounding nonsense. You're pounding nonsense.
My God. Oh
The,
man.
there is human freedom, and it is one of the greatest gifts that God has given us. Remember, sir, that it was a rejection of God that brought about human government.
Yes.
There was a saying which is false, that the will of the people is the will of God. That's not true. That's not true. Because people can choose. Their choices are not necessarily God's choice. Okay? But you have to understand the sovereignty of God and what is called predestination, to know that nothing takes God by surprise. So God knows the results of the election. He knows the result.
Yeah.
Yes.
All I can say, if those are the leaders that them have out front right now, I wouldn't really, I could never see better inside, because, they come out and speaking pure crap. Then just imagine what the rest of them would say.
Yes, sir. And what other Chambers is doing is influencing the mind. It's fear mongering, and it's wrong. It is wrong. It's fear mongering.
It is.
Right? I come up here every night and I talk to people. Yes. And I'm not telling people who to vote for.
That's right.
Hello? How you getting that?
Just pause him. I guess pause him. I don't know.
Who put up this man?
Just come up.
No, he can't come up like that. Is Jamaica girl put him up?
No, sometimes it happens,
Oh, well, I never put him up at all. So who put him up?
Eh.
Anyway, sir.
Yes.
Have a great night. You hear?
You too, boss, and I continue listening, man. Take care and God bless.
Okay, sir.
Boy. You can take me down, please. Thanks.
Yep. We will take you down. All right, we'll take him down. Okay, tomorrow is a holiday. Actually, tomorrow is the 1st of August. The tomorrow is Emancipation Day. We'll be on tomorrow. Will we be on tomorrow? Will we be on? I don't know.
Yes,
I
sir.
need an. Who is putting up these people? Who is putting up these people?
Good night.
Good night, sir. Good night. Good night. Good night. Yes, sir. I would say the same thing. I would have said the same thing. I would say the same thing. All right. Let's see if we can go a little longer and clear the box.
Hello.
We can't spend too long.
Good night, sir.
Hello.
Good night.
Good night. How are you?
Doing? I'm okay so
I'm
far.
doing all right.
Sitting in my couch listening to the good words from your mouth, sir.
Oh, thank you.
Yes. And Mark Golden specific, him not ready yet, sir.
Oh, he's not?
No, in no shape, no form, no way. He's not grow. He don't brought up.
He don't brought up.
No, he have no respect, no manners, nothing about him. I see him come to this
if you go learn manners, man. If you go learn manners.
Yes. Him cannot handle the Jamaican. Jamaican people is too rough for him. He can't handle nobody. Him is a little young boy. Him is a little young boy still sucking breast milk.
Oh.
Yeah. And a man who love the rum buckle and love the rum cup cannot leave Jamaica. Mr. Michael Andrew Decent Holness must stay here until death do us part.
Is that so?
Yes. And if the labor right was like Mark Golden, we don't want him either.
You have to learn manners.
Yes, if you have a woman and you put that woman in your house, you have everything in there. And she step out and leave you, she don't mean herself no good.
And what you say to me?
Yes, we don't know what she looking for. Or she don't know, or he don't know what he want.
Don't run after her.
Mr. Andrew Holness is the man for the kitty pan. Him is the man for the house. Him is the man
for the what? Hold on. For the what, ma'am? Kitty pan?
For the kitty pan.
What is a kitty pan?
The money pan.
Oh.
Yes. Him is the man for the money bucket. Him is the man for the house. Him is the man for the kids. Him is the man for the son. Him is the man for the daughter. Him is the man for the auntie, the uncle, the cousin, of them.
Him are the man for the kitty pan.
Very exciting.
Yes. If that man is a man where I'd bill him out and hand himself put him here.
You're the borrow him, ma'am? You're the borrow him?
We borrow him already. We have him already. We're not adding not one more to him. Everything what we want, he had it already.
Oh, okay.
Yes. You know when you see a man and you're looking for a nice, sexy, decent man? Yes, Mr. Andrew. He have it.
He's sexy, ma'am?
In past sexy.
Hold on. How old you be?
59 August coming, the 12th.
Are you still a talk about sexy, man?
How you mean? You know who sexy again? Desmond Mackenzie.
Oh gosh.
God Almighty, the man sexy something. Sexy quite for him.
You like sexy, man?
And look what Mr. Patterson do. We take the money and buy how much $1 million. When time them bid it France, this big house we sell, PJ Patterson get up and say I can buy it cash. Where is Jamaican people taxpayer money? I'm gonna keep a birthday party and have to go and get my permit for 23,000. I mean, I dispute it because Jamaica need to run Jamaica. We don't need to go beg and sponge. We want to show the world how great we is in Jamaica.
Yes. He's a man for the kitty pan.
Yes, that man is for the kitty pan. Inside and outside, him is the kitty pan man.
Sexy man, eh?
Yes, he know how to spend money and he know how to use money and he know where money for.
Yes. Kitty pan man.
Man, come mix turbo and boom and drink and when you look on in front, you know if him piss up, excuse my language, and him junkie and him talking, the whole of them talking bullshit in Jamaica people here. And we don't need no bullshit
hold
in
on
here.
with it. Yes, ma'am. Hold on with the language there.
We need Jamaica to go on top of the world. Jamaica cartel said Jamaica is the best place on earth. We need that result to come out. The best place on earth.
Yes. Hold on with the language there, do, ma'am. Take your time with
Yes.
it.
We need that.
Yes.
We don't need to hear that we picnic kidnap we can't find him. We don't need to hear that we son kidnap and we can't find him. We don't need to see you go a bank with your money and a man joke you up, jam in your ears and take away your local penny where you work. We don't need that. We need conscious man for Jamaica. And Mr. Andrew Holness is the best thing on earth.
What?
You see that little boy we give him name Ground God? What the nickname? Where the little boy?
Go God, ma'am.
That little boy is supposed to, Mr. Andrew Holness, to look for him and see that he written.
Let me ask you a question. Your name written on the voters list? Listen to this. Listen to this, Labour right. Listen to this. Hello. Lord have mercy. You can dance?
What? Yeah, go. Like to see I dancer, you would stand all night and watch me. And don't remember if you go sleep.
You can whine?
What? A bubble, a proper fix them can.
No, sir. Oh, we
My
are
father labor right.
Yeah.
My mother labor right. A dog in a me yard labor right. A push them a labor right before. So if they not green, me buy paint and paint them green. A prosperity we are dealing with.
Yeah, Bobula.
Prosperity and love in our country, and that we want.
Okay.
And you know how me glad how now. You know how me glad how he say. Cause me watch him, you know. Me sleep and watch him in me dream and watch him when me daylight and watch him when me a walk. You know what he say? He not recruiting back JPS license. If he come back to where?
Bobula. You can, man.
When? Me no good when music take me, man.
Yes. Whatever music you like.
Bubble and me wine and pushing pan head all kind of tune. Cartel covered up being the man. Every artist where them in tune Jamaica we say.
Tappy man. Tappy. Pushing our.
It's time we say him. Where say him? Me what we got with the song name? The song where wine and pro.
Take your time.
Yeah man, I hold for song, hold for them.
Pushing.
We don't want. Anytime you plant one tree and you see a tree turn yellow and dead.
I see.
Yes. How can a dead tree bear fruit? Tell me now, sir.
Well, me no know, mama.
Make we be fair. Can a dead plant bear fruit?
I can't believe me high. Boy, I tell you something.
Boy,
I
me
want
just,
to ask the question.
me just-
Can a
me just-
tree died? Can
Yeah,
bear
mama.
fruit?
I just the pushing, about the pushing part me there at the
What cannot do? But better quarrel. We have to have little fun.
Yeah.
Get pretty as but good fun and focus on the country's on the right way.
Yes.
It is a My mother going to town and she missed the road. My son going to town and he missed the road. I tell him to get tour guide.
Yes. Uh-huh.
That is what we want.
You can't tell me more about the pushing something there. Because me not hear you well.
Remember, you know, sir, me is a August man, you know, me mouth sassy. Me with things that you know why hear nothing bad from the ear.
Yes,
We
okay.
don't want your reputation say then go say you're in a pushing and this and that. We want
Yes.
keep the sheet clean, right?
Keep the sheet clean. That's right. That's right. That's right. When me and you meet up, we talk about that more, eh?
Exactly. We behind this closed door there, so.
Yes.
Yeah,
All right.
Everybody will get jealous and want some.
You know, he brought me out though, you know.
No, that's why we are keeping sheet clean. We're talking about the Prime Minister.
Yes, that's right. That means a old man.
And how the country will run.
Yes. Yes,
You
Mama.
want to come at Westmoreland, you know, if you come at White House, Westmoreland, now make we lift him up.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
So we want to lift up the Prime Minister for Jamaica and carry him in a way, and we don't want him up on dirt. We want to lift him up and carry him.
Uh-huh.
Yes. And he need to go look for the little boy we give him Brown.
Uh-huh.
Yes.
What a nice lady. What a nice lady. August woman, you know.
Yes,
I
sir.
want
Well,
August woman.
August to come here.
Can't find one August woman to me.
Then I want you find here, what come to your crib, so man.
No, man. But you see the pushing part, they kind of afraid.
God, give me strength in that night, yeah.
Oh, God, I tell you something. This is fantastic. All right. Take care of yourself here, Mama.
The place
Nice
is a good
talking to you.
order, sir. Replace go in the place.
You must come back again, Sandra Mama P. Mama P.
Me watch you all the time, you know see me follow you.
Okay. Listen, you're in Westmoreland. You're in Westmoreland?
I watch you all the time.
You're in Westmoreland, Mama?
I will White House area.
Uh-huh. Well,
I will live on the government land where UDC responsible. We want the Prime Minister, we want them to vote them out down here and then come couple and give we make we get to pay for it.
that's right. That's right, Mama. That's right.
We don't want to go on no swampland, baby love.
That's
Because
right.
everybody can swim.
That's right. Uh-huh. And alligator.
When river come down, you want back in coast.
That is right. So your birthday is next month.
Yes,
Tomorrow. Which day?
the 12th.
Well, all right. Wonderful. Wow. You gonna have a party
Yes, I'm having a party on the 23rd of August.
in Westmoreland?
Yes?
Okay.
You want to come?
Yes, I would love to, especially when I hear about pushing. Can't miss that.
Well, you come, man. Make sure so your eye don't hard up. You can find your way here.
Oil?
Yes, but you say you want to come. So make sure so your eye is okay. Don't hard up. I tell you, sir, my mouth is very spicy. My mouth is very spicy.
Oh. Yes. Oh my. I'm speaking about coming to Westmoreland.
Yes. When you pass Sanders White House, you're right at my gate.
Oh, I know there.
Yes,
Very well.
me can walk go Sanders. I can walk out there.
Uh-huh. Well, I know there, yes. Okay.
Yes. By me shut me I may make 2 steps and me reach Sanders. I used to work over there, you know.
Okay, lovely.
And we have to build it over there, you know.
Uh-huh. Well, you know, ma'am, I am going to try and see if I can come.
That would be so happy. If you're coming
Yes.
from Kingston,
Yes, ma'am.
you can't last. You come all the way to Westmoreland and you reach Sanders South Coast Gate.
No. I know where that is. I know Jamaica, ma'am. Me know where Sanders there.
Because you're going to hear the music on the road because I can't put a music out there without the permit. So as you come along on the roadside, you're going to see the party right in the road there.
So how me I go tow the aisle? The aisle. Tow, no me go tow you.
Huh?
All right. Yeah, man.
Look here, man. Come and support me.
Yes. Okay.
And bring a couple of your friends with you. Tell them you're going to Sandra's birthday party. And bring Andrew Holness too if you ever see him.
All right. Mr. Tufton.
Yes, man. Yeah, them come. But we broke your record on our spot.
One Gregory for you as you go. One Gregory for you. Playing this for my friend Sandra.
Make my day.
Neighbor coming
that's
in.
nice.
Nasty up the place for you, yeah?
Going away.
When I touch Westmoreland, oh my goodness.
It's like my life.
You're
Goodness
dropping
gracious.
a bed of rose.
Now that
Bed of rose. My goodness, we're keeping the sheet clean, eh?
Yes, sir.
but what more can I say? Sad to know that you're leaving.
Sad to know that you're leaving, Mama Sandra.
Coming back again, man.
It's kind of grieving.
Once I see you on your job, I'm gonna come in your box and we're gonna chat again.
Thank you. Beth, big up yourself.
100%.
Mama Sandra will be 60 years old, 60 years old on the 12th of August.
No, 59. 59.
Oh, it's time to shine, my dear Mama.
I'm still going strong. I feel nothing in the body like body getting old and drooping. No, young and hard and fresh.
Oh.
Loneliness dream.
She said she's a wine.
And the steamed fish.
Oh yeah.
That's right, Mama. Take care of yourself, you ever right? Big up yourself.
Bless up yourself, sir, and have a good night rest and don't stay up too late.
No, ma'am. I'm going to my bed shortly. Bye-bye.
All right, get a cup of tea.
Oh, this is a Gregory Isaac. My goodness, 3 minutes after 11 o'clock.
Get yourself a cup of mint tea before you go to bed.
Cup of what tea?
A cup of mint tea.
Minty. Oh. That's nice.
All right.
Okay. All right.
Or you drink a cup of clove tea.
Clove. Yeah.
Clove, yes.
Very good. Very good.
Very good for you.
And 2 crackers, eh?
That is it.
That is it.
Okay, nice talking to you.
Nice talking to you too, Labour. But big up yourself. Bye-bye.
Make my day.
Oh, she's 59. Oh, what a nice lady.
To know you're going away.
Jamaicans are some of the most fantastic people on the planet, Oh.
It's like my life giving to you.
Coming to Pentecost.
Something before I go.
Yeah.
What about that policeman who went to the state and working as a police officer? What do you think about him?
Say that again.
That man who go to the states and working as a police officer without documents. What do you think about him?
I didn't hear about that. I'm gonna have to look into it. About it at all.
There was a man from Jamaica go to the state and he was in the army, the police army, and was working and they catch him and I think they're supposed to soon deport him now.
Oh, well, I'm gonna have to look into it, ma'am. I'll look into it and tell you about it tomorrow.
All right, darling.
All right. Big up.
All right.
Right.
I'm coming down now.
Yeah, man. Good. Bye. Okay, Pentecost is here. Good night, Pentecost. How you doing?
How are you doing?
Me no there, enjoying myself.
You divorced me, man.
Tomorrow is a holiday, so I can stay up a little late.
I said that you divorced me.
Divorce you, ma'am?
Yes.
No, I couldn't do that. I when I get married, it's for life, I couldn't do that.
I've tried so many times to talk to you.
Oh, I sincerely apologize. My moderator sometimes keep the people out here.
Okay. So what's going on? How things looking?
Are you a bubbler?
No. I'm a Christian, remember?
But that no means you can't wine.
We can't wine, but then a bubbler.
I see, I see. But what's the difference between wine and bubble?
Bubble is a little more deep, not little, way more deep. It's deeper.
So you don't know anything about pushing. You don't know anything about that.
What we call pushing? I heard you talking to the lady about pushing. What is that?
I don't know. I'm asking if you know anything about pushing.
I have no idea, and that lady is older than me, and she's talking about pushing. So I'm wondering.
I don't either. I must tell you the truth. But I'd love you to research it for me and tell me what it means.
I'll do that.
Thank you. Well, I tell you the truth. It appears as if the PNP is making this easier for the Jamaica Labour Party.
You think so?
Yes. Your opponent sometimes makes the PNP is campaigning for the Labour Party, you know, man.
I think so. They're making it so much easier for us.
Yes. This election could have been a lot closer. Because, you know, ma'am, I thought about this today about pain points in the country. Pain points. There are quite a bit of frustrating things happening, you know, ma'am. I don't want to point them out tonight because labor rights will be a little shrugged. But there are pain points. There are issues in Jamaica that needs to be looked at. Take, for example, ma'am, we have a major traffic problem in Jamaica, you know. Traffic. Yes, traffic problem, ma'am. And I know why there is a traffic problem. It's something that needs to be studied and fixed because it's a problem. What's the plan to fix that?
But neighbor, you have to bear this in mind, you know. Even when you're in foreign countries, there's a heavy bill. I mean, first world countries when compared to Jamaica. Over the years, I know, especially under our government, there are many alternatives. They have created different ways to reduce traffic. And of course, when you think back about like way back in the days, like the 90s and the early 2000s, there was a build-up of traffic all over the place, way more than it. So guess what happened? I think it has been reduced significantly. So from as time goes by, like I said, because if you go overseas like America, sometimes you have to leave your home like very early, just like living in Kingston, working in Kingston and living in Portmore back in the day. Yeah. Well, now you have a choice. The
problem is that some of the traffic move here. But let's leave that alone. The point is that there are issues that the PNP could put on the table that could spark interest. Even if they win, it would make the election more interesting.
Neighbor, I want to tell you, let me tell you something. And I'm going to be very frank. You see, these PNP people, they are not brilliant people. They are not bright people. Most times when they come out and say stuff, it is something that we might have done or might have, it's like the book that came out yesterday. They have a whole pile of stuff to come out and say, so if we don't do anything, if we don't say anything, they have no comments, no suggestion. They are striving from what we do. That's what they are doing. They cannot come up, not even with, I won't give them 10, a 5-point plan to say, okay, this is what we have for Jamaicans. Have you ever heard them saying that? No. It is only when something happened. The Prime Minister went out with the books. The Prime Minister was talking at a particular meeting last night and he said, and this is what they speak on. They speak about nothing else. They don't present themselves. They don't say, here we are. We're here to help you with what?
Yeah.
But they have nothing. They are not brilliant people. They are not brilliant people.
So when you want to go to the Prime Minister?
There are none of them. I mean, the whole set of them, the whole batch of them, they just don't think.
They're ungrateful too.
So there's nothing for them. And woe be unto us. I know they're not going to win, but woe be unto us if PNP party ever Jamaica. It is going to be the darkest days ever.
They get too much. They get too much. Too much they get.
My friend, what we need to do is to join hands in prayer and pray for our Prime Minister. Because I want to tell you, I was talking with a particular MP this evening. I had a meeting and we were looking at the persons who vote. Right now in Jamaica, the elite persons or the intellectual persons, they are going to vote for the Jamaica Labour Party. But they are not the majority in the country.
That's
The
true.
majority are the persons on the little man on the street side. The little man down there, so don't know what politics mean. Him don't know what JLP or PNP mean. Him just hear somebody jump up and say, me a PNP, or my mother and my grandfather are PNP. These are the majority of voters in the country. But the elite intellects, these are the people who are voting for JLP because they understand what this government is doing. And every single day I was talking to this MP, he said he gets a call from somebody saying, listen, hey, this is where we're at, and we're going to be giving Jamaica Labour Party our support. I mean, these are intelligent, intellectual persons.
Yeah.
People who are going to put in the government are the persons who don't know anything about politics or what is happening in the country. Because when I look and see, you have some people coming on social media talking about, well, Andrew do for Jamaica, and he corrupt and all of these things. When a man like Andrew and ask what has he done, that is gross unfair. Gross unfair. And that's why we need to join hands in prayer and pray for the Jamaica Labour Party, pray for the Prime Minister, pray for the Jamaica Labour Party, and pray for the Prime Minister, trust me. And I also want to add this, neighbor.
Yes.
I don't know why I put my foot in my mouth when I say this. The PNP is going to the extreme to win this election. Do you listen to their song about blood and fire? Don't take it simple. I heard Mark Golding talking about Labour right now going to let go after this so easy. They are going to the extreme. And what that means, they are willing to take lives. You know what I saw? Yeah, man, they are willing to take lives to win the election. I'm telling you, I've seen it. I saw persons who could not have come out of their hood, like they live in a particular lane or a street. You have, in the last election, labor rights, you have guys standing on the street side with maybe bad boy with them gun in their waist and I show everybody. No, these people in this particular community, they never come out and voted for the day. They never come out and voted. They are willing to take life. And I also want to tell the labor rights. I want to tell the labor rights, all labor rights, and I'm happy I got this platform to talk. Don't be intimidated if you're in your house or wherever and feel as if you want to come out and place your vote. Call the police. Make sure you go put your X. Don't let anybody intimidate you. Don't let anybody intimidate you. That is what the PNP is planning, to intimidate and drive fear in people. We have to be careful, but make sure you come out and put out on the X. Don't be intimidated.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
That is what is happening in the country. Because I said they will go to the extreme to win the election.
Because the PNP woman say, I dey go war upon war.
I mean, that is like minute. That is like minute to the things that they say and do behind the scenes. I'm telling you. That's minute to what they say and do behind the scenes.
Yeah.
Minute.
I will say though that the security apparatus in Jamaica, I think, is intelligence driven, and they're on top of things.
They're on top of it, neighbor, but remember the quantity of police to the quantity of residents in a constituency.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
Like, for example, one constituency I can point out specifically right now has 37,000 constituents. We don't have 37,000 policemen.
Well, we
don't have half of that in a constituency. That's half of a parish, you know. That's like quarter of a parish, I mean.
Yes.
So it's I had a situation somewhere in St. James the other day. I don't want to be calling too many names. Where they had a meeting, and the police could not have controlled the crowd, and it wasn't a very big crowd. I went as far as speaking to the superintendent of the zone, and we had to lock shop. We have to lock down business because they block off the place when people talk to them. I mean, it wasn't a massive crowd, you know. But the overflow on the compound, and they had a number of policemen there who could not have helped us. They could not have helped us. I've seen it.
Anyway, Pentecost, you must come back quickly here and don't stay away from it too long. I'm going to have to run. Almina,
Yes, sir.
nice to talk to you too. How you doing?
Not bad.
Everything all right with you?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. You like how the election I go?
Well, it's been counting since night.
Yes.
Yeah, but I don't feel so good. The Prime Minister should have get more count, more.
Let's get more.
42 should I get more, 550.
Okay. Well, five of the seats are too close to call. We have to put them on Monday. Yeah.
Okay, well, I'm glad you get more.
Yes.
I'm here them
Yes.
talking some PMP talk of the prison. For how in thief money.
No go so, ma'am.
But my family, my me phone every day, They plug
Yes.
in the charger. And if no,
Yes.
not promise me. From night till night, as a day like when they put me phone till night,
What will you say to me?
No,
Listen to.
not miss me. So
Okay.
everything when in PNP them I say about the Prime Minister.
Almina, man. Almina. Nice. It's nice.
Yeah,
It's nice that you're keeping abreast of what is happening, Almina.
Yes, me I keep on lots of things.
Yes.
I don't like how them behave right now. My goal in one PNP woman in redeem the woman say for me. I listen for me for the woman say they go water power and blood. Goal in did say then if you make no water to make time in the election. So a holy power, holy things never go in the election now.
Oh.
Holy
Well,
things never go in the election now.
God is good, though, ma'am. God is good.
Very long good that me I pray for. When I rest my land, nothing in the my rest my land, but Upper Kingston in the area. Because my golden is that a peaceful man.
Oh.
No, not a peaceful man. And he fire then just as they see him. But they tell too much lie and do when you're guilty. Holy. I sorry, so the Prime Minister never get the whole 63 seat. And make Andrew let's go back where he come from.
Almina, my time run out. Take care of yourself.
Yes, sir. Okay, well, next year. I mean, I can't find that time and I get you.
No, man. You know what you have to do? Tell your daughter, say, send me a request and send me a number so that we can call you and make you come up. Yeah?
All right.
Yeah, man. Now look out for you, yeah? Now look out for you.
All right, sir.
Since
We've started the comedy boss, man. You can't tell the people them say they must stop the comedy, man. We're not gonna treat the people of Jamaica, so man.
what you talking about now, neighbor? Blessing man.
The comedy from the peace platform, Diego. You know, say
What kind of comedy now?
comedy. You know, man, I go in a halfway, we go wipe car glass and all them something. You know, foolishness, man.
No, listen me now, neighbor. I never want to go down that road today, because you don't know like have intelligent conversation. But the actual is, I don't know who said that it is PR team. I mean, people use strategic methods to gain vote, but this one was poorly constructed and thought out, I believe. And
Which one?
I wouldn't want to show outside of the country anybody that type of picture. It shows a level of desperation.
You mean the Prime Minister in halfway tree, sir?
Yes, I was scared because I need someone to stay in a position. You understand?
You don't know political marketing, Diego. You don't have a clue.
No, listen up. It's very dangerous. You look at the road fatalities in Jamaica currently.
Let me tell you something. What you saw on camera does not tell you the full picture. The Prime Minister had a security detail ahead of him.
Neighbor was scared.
Listen to me. They made sure that the traffic approaching the Prime Minister saw them. What happened in halfway tree yesterday was political mastery.
Oh my God.
Yes, it was.
Neighbor. I said to
All right, do that and beat it. Do that and beat it. Do that
we
and
not
beat
do not no more, neighbor. The PMP has
do that and beat him.
I said the PMP has to do nothing more, neighbor. Mark Holiness and the trajectory.
But by the way, Mark Golding could stand up in halfway tree for 3 hours in that.
Mark Golding actually park up in halfway tree regular and not a daily basis, but he has no problem. This is Mark Golding talking.
Come back tomorrow. My time is up. Take care.
All right, then, my boss. Blessings and respect to you.
You know, so you must call me, my comrade friend. You're joking with me, no? You mustn't treat me like this, man. Come on.
Come on, boy, may I tell you. It's just too busy.
No, because you wear orange shirt and me wear white.
No.
You notice my shirt? You notice my shirt? Natural and neutral.
You know, for give an award, you know.
For what?
Oscar. You need to get an Oscar.
For
Brilliant job. Brilliant job.
Oh, you think so?
Huh? In the class of Denzel Washington, man. Laugh. Blessing still.
Power, my friend. Power. You drink power? You drink power, sir? You know there's a drink in Jamaica named power.
Away, man. The right
yes.
thing. Never find a better name.
Yes, power, man. Power. Not boom, you know, power. You can't buy me 2 power, brethren.
Hear what? And after the election, you shall drink. You drink alcoholic beverage, sir?
Yeah, I do. I don't. But you know, sir. By the way, you know, a PNP called me today. A PNP. I'm gonna tell you something before you go. Seriously, not no joke. A PNP called me today and he said, "Neighbor, you think you could blog or do a program for us?" I'm telling you the truth. He said if you were doing work for the PNP, my goodness, man, I won't tell you what they tell me.
I think you could challenge Cliff Hughes and kick him off the other side. I think you dropped the ball in terms of delivery, in terms of choosing the right choice and the trajectory.
Yes. Yes. So the PNP is trying to recruit me. Can you imagine? PNP is sending people to talk to me to say could I join the PNP. Amazing.
It will be worthwhile, my friend. You
think so?
You think so?
That's what I'm hearing. Oh, dear God, my friend. Yeah, you will sit down and have a drink. Yes, sir. I will buy you ginger beer. You drink a ginger beer. I can't afford anything more than that. And remember, the ginger beer comes in a green bottle. All right? Ginger beer or tea. Green bottle. Anything I'm giving. Who's sending me messages? Derek Morgan? Huh? I'm getting messages from Mr. Derek Morgan. Huh? Scratchy. How you doing, Scratchy? Inspiration. Voice of the nation. Hi. Train Man and Exhale. Lauren Alisa, you're here. Good night. Dr. Kurt Wall. Good night, Dr. Wall. Oh, Nadine. Good night, Nadine. How you doing? Jackie with wow. Jackie with wow? Wow. Wow, Jackie. Good night. Delroy Dobney. Dave listens to the program. Davian. Vassal. Yes. No hassle with Vassal. Good night, sir. Newton Amos. Oh, Corey Dunkley. Cayman Queen, you're in Manchester. Good night. Ingram and Ingram Accounting. Good night, sir. Rula Brown. The UIC listens. Good night, UIC. Amir's Party World. Gabriela Morris from the PNP. Wow. Kingston 11. Solid music. Churchill. Oh my goodness. Damian Young. Evangelist Adrian Young. Yep. Laborite Girl and Soji. Rodriguez and Bucci.